Hi folks, welcome to week 15. I'm going to quickly go over what we are getting into this week. So just like last week, I said we would be talking about section views and the different types of section views that there are. And we're kind of going back not to board drafting, but practicing on paper, using paper and pencil to become familiar with section views. Okay, so the first thing you'll see are two different PowerPoints. We've got section view basics, so this just goes over the basics of section views and some of the rules that go with section views. And then you've got the different types of section views. So this goes over full section views, half section views, and so forth and so on. I'm going to have you take notes on those so that you familiarize yourself with them. Please do not copy and paste information into a Google Doc. I can tell by going into your history for your Google Doc if you copy and paste my slides into your notes. So do not do that. You do not learn anything from that. If you are copying pictures to help you reference the material, that's a different thing. Obviously, you can copy a picture and type the definition next to it or something like that. But please make sure that you are taking notes on your own and not copying and pasting. This is what I want you to focus on for today. You're just going to check this out. Next class, what we're going to do is we're going to work on these worksheets. And I have included a video going over how to do a full section view, breaking down the drawing. But I've got two section view worksheets for us. One is specifically full section view. Oh, I guess I did not attach it. My apologies. So let me pull that up. This will be the worksheet you'll see there. Basically, you're going to either get a printed copy from me or you're going to print it home. Given the top view and the right side view, sketch the front view as a full section. When finished, submit a photo. Fill in visible lines in the front view, fill in section lines in the front view. Those are the steps that you need to do. So this will make more sense once you have looked at the PowerPoint. So here's your top view, your right side view, and then we're transforming our front view into our section view. Then we have the second assignment, which is full and half sections. So it's more of that. This one is a couple practice problems for each half and full. So example A and B, this one's a half section, this one's a full section, and you will be going down the line and creating either a half or a full section depending on what problem you're on. For C and D, you can see that I have the section lines in there, but for E, G, F, and H, you will have to put the section lines in there. You're going to just copy the section lines that are there onto these, but that will represent what you are showing. Next class, so not Monday, but Thursday, I will go over an example section view, full section view problem in class. That way it'll set you up for this worksheet and this one, so that hopefully it helps. And then if there's still any confusion, I do have a video in Schoology as well. So first class, focus on getting the notes done. Second class, we will work on the worksheets. If you have any questions, obviously feel free to shoot me a Schoology message, and I will see you guys in class.